In this episode, we'll be covering the sports season, important reminders, the hygiene drive, and more on Friday, November 18th, 2022.
Welcome back, Devils. Let's start things off by kicking it over to Calvin and Dylan for an update on the sports season.
Thank you, guys. Last weekend, the cheer team competed at Shrewsbury High School, where they got second place. They compete again this Sunday at the state competition at Worcester State University. Be sure to wish them luck.
Last week, the football team lost in the quarterfinals of the statewide playoffs to Oxford High 33-8. They do not play this week, but are dialed in for the Turkey Bowl next week.
The cross-country team had their state meet last weekend. The girls finished 10th overall, with Avery Murphy finishing second with a time of 20 minutes and 12 seconds. Lillian Skwinski placed fourth with a time of 21 minutes and 6 seconds. Finishing it off for the Blue Devils was Ava Buzier, 91st, and Rachel Blank, 103rd.
Boys finished 13th overall, with Jackson Skowinski placing 17th with a time of 18:23. Gavin Zabik placed 41st, and Wiley McKay was 78th.
Avery Murphy, Lillian Skwinski, Jackson Skwinski, and Gavin Zabik will all represent Murdock this Saturday at the MIAA All-State Championships in Devens, Mass. Girls run at 11:30 a.m. and boys run at 12:15 p.m.
That's all we have for you this week. Back to the girls in the studio.
Thank you, Calvin and Dylan. We're doing a Let's Talk Turkey fundraiser where you can purchase feathers to see your favorite teacher dressed in a turkey costume at the pep rally, which is next week on Wednesday. The teacher that comes in second place will wear a pilgrim costume.
Speaking of student council, they went to Worcester Technical High School yesterday after school to learn more about how to be leaders and work together. They went to multiple workshops led by other schools and met many other student council members. Here's a reminder that next week, Monday and Tuesday, are half days for parent-teacher conferences, and Wednesday is an early release day. There is no school on Thanksgiving or Friday for Thanksgiving break.
On Monday, November 28th, juniors and seniors will be taking a trip to Assumption University for a tour of the campus. Permission slips are available and guidance if you are interested.
Speaking of trips, on Wednesday, Mr. Foster and Mr. Collins' class went on a field trip to attend the Museum of Science to see an exhibit on artificial intelligence and robotics. It's so cool to see how far technology has come.
Ms. Fry's leadership class is holding a hygiene drive for the month of November. The hygiene drive is to support children in need by collecting donations.
Please see Ms. Fry in room 237 if you're interested in donating any items for the drive. We're accepting items such as shampoo, toothpaste, toothbrushes, razors, and anything else that could help out. Now that we know more about the hygiene drive, let's bring it over to Jack and Gavin for our new cooking segment.
Hey, today we're here with Jack Snacks. It's a new segment in the Blue Devil Weekly, and today I'm with my partner, Gavin.
Nice.
We're going to be cooking a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich.
Let's get into it.
Let's get into it. Okay, so the ingredients you're going to need for this are bread, milk, eggs, cheese, salt and pepper, bacon, doesn't matter what type of bacon you got, just need some bacon, and butter.
So the first thing you gotta do is preheat your griddle to 325. And then we're gonna be cooking some eggs. Let's get into it.
The first thing you're going to be doing is buttering up your grill so you don't leave a mess. And it's pretty simple. You're just going to spread the butter all along your griddle or your pan, depends where you are making this. And my friend Gavin is going to walk you guys through how to get your eggs prepped to put on the griddle.
So the first thing I do is gotta crack some eggs. My friend Jack, do you mind holding this?
I will hold that for you.
So we're gonna be cracking 3 eggs like so. You gotta go crack it. Then you gotta put in the trash. Just make sure you don't get any eggshells in there, because that'd be pretty bad. So now we're gonna add a splash of milk, like so.
Perfect.
Now you gotta add a sprinkle of some cheese.
Add more.
Now I have to stir it pretty nicely. And my friend Jack here is gonna teach you how to do with the bacon.
All right, so the first thing you should probably do when making bacon is open it. Why isn't it opening? And today we're going to be using 3 pieces of bacon just to be safe while making this sandwich. Be nice if I could get these out a little bit easier. All right, so if your grill is at about 325, then you should be good, and you're just going to simply lay the bacon down on the grill. You know, get a couple pieces out there to get going. And you know, I haven't cooked bacon before, but I'm pretty sure it goes like this. So just lay it down on the grill.
That stuff is smelling pretty good.
That is already smelling really nice. And my friend Gavin is going to put the eggs on the griddle now.
Just gotta give it a nice little push on there.
Uh-oh, that's not good.
Yeah, you might want to use this.
All right, I'll use the spatula instead. That's a better tool. Do not use a plastic fork. That was pretty good. And you're just gonna flip the bacon. And you know, if you want your eggs to be nicely scrambled, you can just make them in a pile, dice them up a little bit, you know. You know, the bacon's already looking pretty nice. When you're doing this, try not to get bacon juices all over you. It's just not a fun thing.
Yeah, it's pretty hot, you know.
And it feels weird on your fingers.
That too. By the looks of it, the eggs are pretty much done, so I'm gonna put them on this plate right here.
They could have went a little bit longer.
I know. So now I'm gonna add some seasoning to the eggs with some salt. Now I'm gonna use some
That's the pepper. That's the pepper. That's the salt, Gavin.
Now I'm gonna use some salt.
While he does that, I think I'm going to flip once more. You can't unsalt and pepper the eggs. Gavin is going to walk you through toasting bread.
So now I'm gonna put some butter on the pan once again. Now I'm gonna add some bread. I'm gonna be toasting up the bread to make it nice and crispy. Kind of blurry though, like that's the only thing I don't like about it. Oh, the bacon.
Yeah, okay.
The bacon.
Once the bacon is done, I'm going to get it onto a plate to let it sit there for a minute while the bread toasts up. And you know, it's a simple maneuver. You know, you slide the spatula under, and simple as that.
Now I'm gonna flip the bread. Gotta push it down a little bit just to get the juices flowing.
While this is toasting, we're going to put the eggs, the bacon, and sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top of it to give a nice melt on it.
Dear.
I wonder if the bacon tastes good.
No, that's a bad idea, man. We spilling.
All right, so try not to burn your tongue while doing this.
Yeah, don't be an idiot like Jack and try to eat bacon off the hot griddle. Okay.
So this is the last part of your bacon, egg, and cheese process. So your bread is fully toasted, right? You're going to be putting the bacon onto your bread while it's on the griddle still to keep it nice and warm. And then Gavin's going to put the eggs on there. We're gonna top it off with some cheese. It's gonna be really good. All right, and now that the eggs are on it, I missed. And we're gonna top it off with the bread.
Look at that bad boy. Doesn't that thing look pretty? You see that?
I don't know about you guys, but I would definitely eat that sandwich.
The sandwich looks pretty good. Now it's time for the review.
Where's the knife? Let's get a nice.
Oh my God.
Is it good?
No. You should have done that for the camera.
No. It's in the camera shot.
Oh. Here, you want to try a piece of this?
Wait. Shh. Did I just cut through the plate?
No.
Let's go get our taste tester.
So we got our taste tester here. We got Sebastian. How you feeling, Sebastian?
Feeling pretty good.
Ready to
Would you
taste
like
the
to
sandwich?
taste it?
That's right. I gotta get a piece.
How do you feel?
Oh, my bad. Thank you, boys.
All right. Thank you, Sebastian. And back to you guys in the studio.
Yo, I want.
Now, let's bring it over to Alex for an update on the weather.
So here's upcoming weather. For today, it'll be mostly sunny with a high of 38 and dropping into the low 20s during the night. For tomorrow, it'll be sunny with a high of near 37 and dropping into the high teens during the night. On Sunday, it'll be once again mostly sunny with temps in the low 30s and dropping into the high teens. On Monday and Tuesday, it'll be mostly sunny with temps at the low 30s and dropping into the low teens. That's all. Back to you guys.
Now that we know what the weather is going to look like, let's go around Murdock to see everyone's answers to the question of the week.
What's your favorite childhood TV show?
Beavis and Butthead.
Probably the Bubble Guppies.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Courage the Cowardly Dog.
Okay, it's hard, but Wildcrats in cyberspace, best shows. Math.
Who's the boss?
The Love Boat. Hey Arnold. Rugrats.
Sesame Street.
Chowder.
Odd Squad.
Blue's Clues.
Phineas and Ferb.
Back to you guys in the studio.
That'll do it for this week's episode. Okay, wait 1 second before we go.
Before the video ends, we wanted to take a minute to congratulate all of our Murdock football players for getting to the second round of playoffs and for getting us so far in the football season, farther than we've gotten in such a long time.
Mm-hmm.
We have so much pride for you, us and the entire Murdock community.
But we didn't want you to hear it from just us, so let's hear what they have to say about it.
Hey guys, congrats on getting to round 2 of the playoffs. You played a great game. Go beat Gansett.
Congratulations on making it so far. You guys did amazing and you played to your heart's content. We love. Bye guys.
I just want to congratulate the football players on their achievements. You should be very, very proud of yourselves. Go Devils!
Good job, boys. We're proud of you.
Congratulations, gentlemen, on a great season. And we're all very proud of you here in the Murdock community. And good luck and beat Gansett.
Hi guys, I just want to congratulate you as the mother of one of the assistant coaches. I wish you've done so well this year to make it to the playoffs, and I wish you the best of luck at the Narragansett game.
Good job.
Great job, Murdock football team, for getting to the playoffs this year. You've worked so hard, and I know you're going to do great against Gansett next week.
Way to go, boys. It was a great game. Congratulations. We're so proud of you. Murdock football, go Devils. Now we're getting ready for Gansett.
Good job with the sports ball. Beat Gansett.
Good job. We just want to say congratulations to our high school football team for putting in a lot of hard work this year and making it into the playoffs. Good job. Nice job, guys.
Big Blue!
Congrats on Calvin Sandy for 1,000 rushing yards. Good job, bro.
Congratulations. Go Murdock football. Awesome season. Good luck against Gansett.
Congratulations to the football team, because you guys are awesome and you were in the playoffs. And I know that y'all did your best. Go you.
Congrats, boys, on how awesome of a season you guys had this year. Definitely the second toughest game that we've had all season. And, proud of you guys. Did a lot for the program and excited to see what they do next year. It's all thanks to you.
Congrats, boys, on a fantastic football season, taking us to the playoffs for the first time in over 20 years. Let's seal the deal and beat Narragansett on Thanksgiving Day and make this a really special year. Congratulations on everything you've done.
Wow, I love how much pride our Murdock students and staff have in their
Me
community.
too. It's so cute. And from us, congratulations, boys. You guys did amazing. And as always, go Blue Devils! All right, finish the video.
Be sure to stay updated by following us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Murdock HS.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time we post an episode.
And with that, we'll see you next week, Murdock.
Bye.